to Noah's place. Today I'm opening Inside Out chocolate surprises. I love surprises. I have 6 eggs. What will it be? Which one will it be? So there. Let me see. Anger! Let me see on the paper. Is there this kind of anger? There is in him what fire, in him what fire again, in him what matter fire. Look, these are all the stuff you can get. The angers are funny. It looks like another anger. Let me see it on the paper. It's the maddest anger. It's the maddest anger. It was 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 the maddest anger. Disgust. And let me look on the paper. Yeah. This is disgust. My 4th one. Oh, this one me. Another angriest. It's the same. This is my 5th one. Almost that's it. I hope a joy. I hope I'll have a joy. Or a fear. Fear is on. Fear is here. I'm on my way. That's what I thought it was, fear. I'm a fear! My last one. I hope it's a joy. I hope this one is a joy. Your joy is a joy. Hope it's joy because it's kind of yellow. Joy, joy. Another anger. Okay, friends, that was my last one. So, I hope you subscribe. Bye! Did I tell you which one it was? I think they started this one because of chocolate egg. We're going to taste a piece of the chocolate, a little piece, to see when you get one, it will be good. Kind of good, not so good. Chocolate's a little good. 2 ornaments. And an ornament. The spear is on your way. What's this? Hangers.